Clean and fresh air is a fundamental necessity, especially in cities. Since houseplants have become an interior design trend, you can invest in air-cleaning plants. They filter out toxic chemicals from the air and jazz up your house, keeping you happy and healthy simultaneously. With so many plants on offer, you must choose some with extra air-cleaning qualities. They'll work harder to clean the air you breathe from airborne toxins, dust, and germs. Knowing the most effective plants will help you narrow down your wish list. The 10 air-cleaning plants ideal for indoors below will give your house a healthy breath of fresh air. Same as our previous countdown, Simphome presents you with the list. Number 10. Snake plant, or mother-in-law's tongue. This stripy-marked, yellow-tip succulent is famous among air purifier plants on the market. With twisting, dagger-shaped leaves, it makes a statement for a neat corner. It is known for continuing oxygen production at night, even in near-dark conditions. For this reason, the snake plant is suitable for your bedroom plant for better sleep. It also effectively filters the air by removing benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, xylene, and toluene. These harmful chemicals are usually in synthetic carpets, paint, and glues. Native to West Africa, this plant is resilient and drought-tolerant. Although it is slow-growing and can cope with the low-light conditions, it will grow faster in brighter positions. Weekly watering is enough. Moreover, wipe the leaves lightly to clean the pores from dust. Number 9. Spider plant. Spider plants are easy to grow and propagate. Thus, they're great for household newbies and forgetful owners. The plant sends out shoots with flowers that will grow into baby spiders or spiderettes. You can place the babies in a separate pot while still attached to the mother and cut them off when the root appears. Styling the plant in hanging planters will let the babies dangle beautifully. This non-toxic to animal plant lowers carbon monoxide levels. They also reduce toxins including formaldehyde, toluene, and xylene, solvents used in the printing and rubber industries. They thrive in extreme conditions. This perennial herb is a fan of bright, indirect sunlight and even coping with artificial light. You do need to water this plant regularly. Number 8. Garden mum. Who doesn't love chrysanthemums? The beautiful blooms are popular and inexpensive in the garden and house. Unlike other plants that clean air through their leaves, chrysanthemums extract the chemicals through the flowers. Thus, you may need to regularly replace them with other plants once the blooms fade, waiting for the new buds to emerge. They help remove toxins such as formaldehyde, xylene, benzene, and ammonia, which you can find in many household cleaners and floor sealers. They really love the sunlight, so you better place it near a sun-bathed window. If you have pets, keep this plant out of reach because they are toxic. Number 7. Dragon plant. With more than 40 different kinds of Dracaena plants, from bright red trim, bicolor with its pink and white-edged green leaves, to tall, glossy green corn stalks, it's easy for you to fit these plants in any room interior and ambiance. Preferring good sunlight, dragon plants can potentially grow to 8 feet tall, so use a larger pot and keep them in a room with high ceilings. They don't like water so much that you just need to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Benzene, formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and xylene are the toxins that these slow-growing plants can handle. If you have pets, you better use other plants because these are toxic to cats and dogs when consumed. Number 6. Weeping fig. This slow-growing plant is native to Southeast Asia. You can also find weeping fig in some parts of Australia. This plant can reach up to 10 feet and needs plenty of space for its branches. With a mass of glossy leaves, these sun-loving plants will add immediate impact and interest to an empty corner. They don't like disturbance. Moving them around will cause the leaves to fall, so carefully assess a perfect sunbathed spot before homing them. Famous for filtering formaldehyde, xylene, toluene, benzene, and trichloroethylene, weeping figs are toxic to cats and dogs. For their care, don't water too much because they hate puddles. Still relevant to our countdown, in Simphome you can find an exciting resource titled How to Make a Small Bedroom Smell Fresh. Inside it, you can find various ideas to keep indoor air fresh and healthy without any negative chemical consequences. Go and check it out. With that said, let's continue our countdown with Number 5. Aloe Vera. Besides absorbing VOCs and producing oxygen at night, healing aloe has health and beauty advantages. The leaves contain a liquid full of enzymes, amino acids, and vitamins that are anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and wound healing and take care of your skin and hair beauty. As this succulent loves a sunny spot, it'll be a lovely remedy for your kitchen windowsill to soothe any kitchen burns. Native to the Arabian Peninsula, the watery leaves need less than regular watering and constant temperatures of 50 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 4. Peace Lily. The popular peace lily radiates simplicity and tranquility with its pure white flowers and glossy leaves. The compact, ideal-sized plant cleanses the room of household gases like benzene, ammonia, trichloroethylene, formaldehyde, and carbon monoxide. Its sister, the flamingo lily, is also an ideal air-cleaning plant. The lily only needs water spraying once a week. You'll know that it's thirsty when the leaves droop. As direct sunlight will scorch the deep green leaves, a steamy kitchen, bathroom, or shower room is suitable for this effortless beauty. Keep your furry friends away because this plant releases toxic pollen and floral scents. Number 3. Bamboo Palm. The bamboo palm can survive in low-light conditions and is perfect for bringing a lot of green to your indoor space. The slowly growing plant needs at least 3 years to reach heights of 12 feet. The arching leaves make great air cleaners for removing benzene, formaldehyde, and trichloroethylene, and they work as air humidifiers as they transpire a liter of water daily. Regular watering is preferable, but let the soil surface dry out before re-watering. Number 2. Chinese Evergreen. As its name suggests, this plant originated in China and is known for its efficiency in removing harmful air pollutants such as benzene and formaldehyde in detergents and cosmetics. It is now famous worldwide as an indoor houseplant. Favoring full shade and humid conditions, it'll be happy in your bathroom. If you want to put the plant somewhere else, just mist the leaves to prevent browning. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1. Boston Fern, Nephrolepis exaltata v. Bostoniensis. Coming from the forest of Asia, Boston fern usually grows on the tops of trees, reducing the bright lights. The glossy green fronds growing in rosettes will need up to 2 feet of space as they mature. The crinkly leaves filter out the irritating chemicals formaldehyde and xylene. They need high humidity, moist soil, and indirect light to make an ideal lush green display for the bathroom. When you happen to find the top inch of soil is dry, it means it needs water. Therefore, check them out daily. You may wonder how many plants you need to get clean air in a room. Experts say it needs at least 2 good-sized plants for an indoor space to get the benefit. You can use a clay pot and organic soil for extra air cleaning actions. If the plants outgrow the pot, you must transplant them to extend the mother's life and breed the babies. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.